Right now, somewhere on Earth, an AI is doing a job that used to belong to a human, not helping, not assisting, replacing. And every single day, that list gets longer. Drivers, designers, programmers, doctors, lawyers, even executives. But here's the question nobody can answer. When AI can do everything better than us, what will be the very last job humans have left? Stay with me, because the answer may surprise you.
Many people believe driving would always require a human being. Roads are unpredictable. Weather changes instantly. Human judgment matters. But AI never gets tired. It never gets distracted. It never checks its phone. Today, self-driving technology is improving faster than experts predicted. And if machines can drive more safely than humans, millions of transportation jobs could become history. For years, people believed creativity would always belong to humans. Machines could calculate, humans could imagine. Then AI started writing stories, creating paintings, composing music, producing videos. What seemed impossible suddenly became normal. And, overnight, creative professions that looked completely safe became vulnerable. If AI can create, then what makes us special? Nobody expected. It learned how to write code. The very people building artificial intelligence suddenly found themselves competing against it. Software that once took teams weeks to create could now be generated in minutes. AI wasn't just using technology anymore. It was building technology. And if programmers aren't safe, who is? If there was one profession people thought AI could never replace, it was medicine. After all, human lives are at stake. But today, AI can analyze medical scans in seconds. It can detect patterns invisible to the human eye. It can review millions of patient records instantly. And every year, these systems become more accurate. The question is no longer whether AI can assist doctors. The question is whether doctors will always be needed. Law is built on knowledge, rules, contracts, precedents. For centuries, lawyers spent years mastering enormous amounts of information. But AI can read more legal documents in a few hours than a human could review in an entire lifetime. It never forgets, it never gets tired, and it can find connections that humans often miss. If knowledge becomes automated, what happens to the people who built careers around it? Most people assume leadership will always belong to humans. After all, companies need vision, strategy, decision-making. But what if AI becomes better at predicting outcomes than any executive alive? What if it can analyze every market, every customer, every risk, and every opportunity in real time? Suddenly, even the corner office no longer looks safe, and that changes everything. But maybe we've been looking in the wrong places. Some experts believe science could be one of the last human professions. Because science isn't just about finding answers, it's about asking questions. The greatest discoveries in history began with curiosity. A simple thought, a bold idea. Could that spark of curiosity remain uniquely human? Or will AI learn that too? Since the beginning of history, humans have been explorers. We crossed oceans without knowing what lay beyond the horizon. We climbed mountains because they were there. We walked on the moon because we wanted to know what was possible. And exploration isn't just about reaching new places. It's about curiosity. It's about stepping into the unknown. And that desire may be one thing machines never truly understand. Every technology we use today started as an idea in someone's mind. The airplane, the internet, the smartphone, before they changed the world, they were impossible dreams. Inventors see things that don't exist yet. They imagine futures nobody else can see. The question is whether imagination itself can be automated. And if it can, what happens next? Leadership is not just about making decisions. It's about deciding which future to pursue. Every civilization faces difficult choices. Which risks are acceptable? Which opportunities are worth taking? Which values should guide society? AI may become incredibly intelligent, but intelligence alone does not determine purpose. Someone still has to choose the destination. Technology can tell us what is possible, but it cannot tell us what is right. As AI becomes more powerful, humanity will face difficult questions. Should every capability be used? Should every problem be solved the same way? Ethics is not about efficiency. It's about values, and values are deeply human. The future may depend on how we answer these questions. Let's look at what's left. Drivers, AI can drive. Programmers, AI can code. Artists, AI can create. Doctors, AI can diagnose. Lawyers, AI can analyze laws. CEOs, AI can manage companies. One by one, the careers people once thought were safe begin to disappear from the list. And as each possibility fades away, one uncomfortable reality becomes impossible to ignore. The future may require fewer humans than we ever imagined. But maybe we've been asking the wrong question all along. Maybe the future isn't about which jobs survive. Maybe it's about which responsibilities remain human, because intelligence alone doesn't create meaning. Intelligence alone doesn't decide purpose. Even the most advanced machine can optimize a goal, but someone still has to choose that goal in the first place, and that changes everything. The last human job may not be building things. It may not be driving, coding, managing, or even inventing. The last human job may be deciding what matters. Choosing goals, defining values, determining which future we want to create. Machines may become better at solving problems, but humans may remain responsible for deciding which problems are worth solving. In the end, purpose may be the one thing we never outsource. One day, machines may build everything. They may solve problems we can't even imagine today. They may transform every industry, every business, and every aspect of daily life. But the future has not been written yet, and the choices we make today may shape the world for generations. Artificial intelligence may change how we work, but it may also force us to answer a much deeper question. What should humanity become when work is no longer necessary? So, here's a question for you. What do you think will be the last job humans ever have? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this documentary, be sure to subscribe to Future Ledger for more stories about artificial intelligence, technology, business, and the ideas shaping our future. Thanks for watching.